and we are in Bardsey. So this is North Leeds, really nice area, and I'll come show you. This is another pondless waterfall. This is our medium pondless that me and Simon have been working on only just this last week actually, so fairly recent this one. And here we go. But we've had to landscape the whole area, which took quite a while. So again, this is our medium pondless. So really nice little natural stream, loads heavy on the plants here, so both inside and outside the pond. We wanted to make this a little natural oasis for the clients, because you can see the viewing area. They've got basically the whole house backs onto this area, and they've got this little seating area here as well, which is just perfect. So before they had nothing to look at, nothing apart from this lovely view to look at, whereas now they've got the sound and sight of a beautiful medium pondless waterfall. So you see it just comes down, comes here, disappears. We've got the illumination package as well, so even at night all the falls are lit up. You can see that, it just comes on automatically. So this is kind of like a flamingo gravel. You see it's got a bit of pinks in it and blue, so it's quite unique. The other one we're going to go to next was just soil and plants, so that's the slight difference there. They wanted a low maintenance garden here, where we even put weed membrane down so that you're not going to get those weeds popping through. So really everything about this space now is designed to be high impact and low maintenance. That's it. We take control of a space really, so we don't focus on landscaping, we don't really do people's gardens as such. We are water feature specialists, so we build the water feature, but a big part of that water feature is the surrounding area, and we're using these beautiful rockeries. So these are the glacial boulders we get from Wales actually. They come all the way from Wales. They're beautiful, millions of years old, and each one is unique. You'll see some of the colours and the shapes on them. It's just individually each stone is outstanding, so it's quite easy for us to make a really nice rockery with a few big feature stones, just because they're such nice quality stones. Yeah, so if you're looking for something like this in your garden, a water feature, it is quite difficult to imagine sometimes water features in your garden, because everyone's got different spaces, and you can completely change it in terms of elevation, in terms of size of your space and that kind of thing, and viewpoint. So every project's bespoke. So yeah, we'll do a site visit. We can arrange pond tours and tours of other people's fountains and water features, which is something that then gives you a bit more, I guess, exposure to it. You can get to imagine what it's like in your garden and see which aspects of it you like and you want to copy into your project. We can kind of split pondless waterfalls into different types. So we've got our small pondless, which is anywhere up to 3 metres. So anywhere from, you know, a couple of drops or even a short drop all the way through to 3 metres. That's our small pondless waterfall kit. Our medium is up to 5 metres long. So this, for example, is our medium. You can see this up to 5 metres, and large is up to 7 metres, and bespoke packages can get even bigger. You know, you can have it running through your whole garden. In terms of prices, we normally have recommended budgets that we give to customers for projects, and every project's different, so it's hard to get an exact price. But for example, our medium pondless waterfalls, we normally say anywhere from probably between £4,000 to £6,000, potentially even more if you're looking for some of the add-ons. So it really depends. There's illumination packages, you can have mystery waterfalls, you can have different types of stones, and I mean the price can go as much as you want really. But we always say recommended budget probably around that £5,000–6,000 for something like a medium pondless. Our small pondlesses are more, probably about between £3,000 to £5,000 recommended budget if you're thinking about having a small pondless in your garden. And then the large ones, yeah, they're slightly more bespoke, so we kind of go into that, but you can see how the prices kind of go up.